How to delete group chat on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger and log into your account. And once you do that, go ahead, say for example, I want to delete this group chat right here. I will simply click and hold on it. And from the pop-up menu list, I will click on delete, and a confirmation box will appear that tells you what will happen if you delete it. Click on delete to confirm, and there you have it. You just deleted this group chat. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete and remove any group chat in your Messenger app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. And as usual, see you in the next video.